नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल पे फायरस्टोन केमिस्ट्री में। अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिए। और आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दीजिए। और आपको कुछ लेसन्स पे वीडियो चाहिए होगा तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दीजिए। हमारे चैनल यूट्यूब पे केमिस्ट्री के नए नए वीडियोस लेकर आता है, वो चाहे नेट के हो, सेट या गेट या 12 साइंस के हो या नीट या जेईई एग्जाम्स की हो। आज हम देखने वाले हैं इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, बेसिक्स ऑफ इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री। दिस इज द जेईई मेन एडवांस का टॉपिक है, दैट इज इनऑर्गेनिक पार्ट का है। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एन एटम विच इज द फ्रॉम बेसिक्स ऑफ इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री। सो वी ऑल नो व्हाट इज एटम। एटम इज द smallest part of an element which retains all of its properties. That means atom is the smallest part of an element which retain all of its properties. दोस्तों, इसका मतलब है अगर एटम है, वो एटम जो है वो स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ एन एलिमेंट, जो एलिमेंट होता है उसका वो स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट रहता है, जो उसकी हर सब प्रॉपर्टीज हैं वो बता देता है, उसको बोलते हैं एटम। सो एटम्स आर द पार्टिकल्स, स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल्स विच रिटेन ऑल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एन एलिमेंट। सो देयर आर टू फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल्स in which the fundamental particles are further divided into stable fundamental particles and unstable fundamental particles. Stable fundamental particles neutron, proton and electron, and unstable fundamental particles mesons, positron, neutrino, antiproton. These are the unstable fundamental particle, and stable fundamental particles are neutron, proton and electron. So overall is an element is consist of an atom, and atom is the smallest part of an element which retains all of its properties. So these particles, fundamental particles, are again divided into stable fundamental particles and unstable fundamental particles. Stable fundamental particles are neutron, proton and electron, and unstable fundamental particles are meson, positron, neutrino and antiproton. Then next we see what is the characteristics of stable fundamental particle. That is, we only see the fundamental particles, that is stable fundamental particles, and the characteristics of stable fundamental particle. So as we know, stable fundamental particles are neutron, proton and electron. Neutron, the first characteristics is an atom are consist of an nucleus, and the nucleus is surrounded by one or more electron in orbitals. So an atom are consist of an nucleus, and nucleus is surrounded by an one or more electrons in orbitals. The proton, next property is the proton and neutrons together make most of an mass of an atom. The protons and neutrons together make mass of an atom. Next property is the nucleus always contain protons, and all heavier nuclei than hydrogen contain neutron. That means the nucleus always contain proton, and all heavier nuclei than hydrogen contain neutron. सो दोस्तों अब देखते हैं स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ एन एटम. सो एन एटम, if we consider this is an atom, then this is the central point, which is nucleus, in which place of proton and neutron. In nucleus there is proton and neutron, and this is the extranuclear part, place of electron, in which electrons are there. This is the place of electrons, and we all know the electrons are surrounded by nucleus. Electrons are surrounded by, nucleus is surrounded by an electron which are moving around the nucleus. So next part is the next characteristics is both protons and neutrons are particles of unit mass. That is, proton and neutron are particle of unit mass, but a proton has one positive charge and neutron is electrically neutral. That is, proton has positive charge while neutron is electrically neutral. Next one is an atom is represented as X under subscription Z and A. That is where A is the mass number, that is total of neutron plus proton. This is the mass number. And Z is the atomic number, that is proton or electron. Here we all know every element has its own atomic number and own mass number. Atomic number is the proton or electron, and mass number is the neutron plus proton. So स्टूडेंट अब अभी हम देखते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन. इलेक्ट्रॉन इज द नेगेटिवली चार्ज्ड species which is outside the nucleus of an atom. So electron is the negatively charged species which is outside the nucleus of an atom, and electron was discovered by, this is the most important, J.J. Thomson in 1897. So this question can be asked for your exam, that is the who discovered electrons. So the electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson in 1897. So the mass of electron is 9.12 into 10 raised to minus 28 gram or 0.000548 AMU, or 9.12 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. This is equal to, that is 1/1837 of hydrogen atom. So electron has much less mass. Then next is the amount of charge. That is minus 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 or minus 4.8 into 10 raised to minus 10. Next is the next is the proton. Proton is represented as P, and which is shown as H11. Proton is positively charged species. Which is present inside the nucleus of an atom. And this is the most important, who discovered proton. Proton is discovered by E. Rutherford in 1911, and the mass of proton is 1.0076 AMU or 1.6725 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram or 1.7625 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. So here we see electron, which is positive species, which is outside the nucleus of an atom and discovered by J.J. Thomson in 1897. Mass of electron is 0.00548 AMU. Amount of charge is minus 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 C, that is Coulomb. Next is the proton, which is positively charged species, which is present inside the nucleus of an atom and represented as H1, and the proton is discovered by E. Rutherford in 1911. Mass of proton is 1.0076 AMU or 1.6725 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram or 1.6725 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. Third one is the neutron, which is represented by N, and it has neutron is electrically neutral, have no charge, which is present inside the nucleus, of an atom. So discovery, neutron is discovered by J. Chadwick in 1932. Mass of neutron is equal to 1.0089 AMU or 1.675 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram or 1.675 into 10 raised to minus 24 kilogram minus 7. So overall is the neutron is the electrically neutral, have no charge, which is present inside the nucleus of an atom. Neutron is discovered by J. Chadwick in 1932. Mass of neutron is 1.0089 EMU or 1.675 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram or 1.675 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. So overall is, in today's lecture, overall is the what is an atom. Atom is the smallest part of an element which retains all properties of an element. So there are two fundamental particles. One is stable fundamental particles and other is unstable fundamental particles. Stable fundamental particles are neutron, proton and electron, and unstable are meson, neutrino, antiproton. So we only see the fundamental stable particles, that is neutron, proton and electron. Here we see all characteristics of proton, neutron and electron and discovery of proton, neutron and electron. So this is overall the basics of an atom in today's lectures. In next lecture we see some important definitions, electronic configurations of atom.